Ivan, today I thought to do a book review. Now, there are so many book reviews on this book, but I like this book, so I thought that why not go ahead and do a small book review on this book. So, the book is Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Now, this book is about financial literacy. Now, if you are like a guy who is into arts or who likes science or technology, but you don't have a big understanding or profound understanding about the wealth or how money works, I think this is the book that you should select and read because in my experience, I'm an art student, so I have no idea about how money works, how what are the liabilities, what are the capitals. I have no idea. So this book really taught me about those kinds of basic concepts. And there are two fictional characters in these books. One is Rich Dad and the other one is Poor Dad. And the author used those characters to teach the reader about the financial knowledge, about the financial literacy. And literally you can just pick a chapter and read it. You will understand a lot of things, and there are some graphs, like easy explained graphs. You can just look at it and understand it. But if you are a commerce student, you will definitely understand it very quickly. But if you are just entering the financial world, or if you are just getting a job and if you don't know how to do taxes, how to manage your money, what are the incomes, what are my expenses, how should I manage it, if you have no idea, this is the book that you should go for. So Robert Kiyosaki is a very good writer. This is I think this is one of his personal finance books, and it's a bestseller. I think a lot of people read it and they got a lot of advantages, or they got a lot of benefits out of this book. So I recommend you to read Rich Dad Poor Dad. You will really understand the concept of money, concept of wealth, what are the liabilities, and basically it doesn't teach you to worship money or just believe in money. What it teach is that how to invest wisely, how to use wisely, and what are the passive incomes that you should know of, and those kind of stuff. So those things really give a lot of advantages for you. For an example, I know some of my friends, they are just graduating, and myself, I will be graduating next year, so, and entering the workforce. So this book will definitely come in handy. So I will I'm really glad to recommend you guys this book. Please buy it. It's not that expensive. I bought it for like 1195 rupees. You can buy it online, or you can just buy the hard copy. Personally, I prefer hard copies because it gives you that bookish feeling. So yeah, that's about it. Just grab this book, read it. It will benefit you for sure. Thank you.